Hi, I'm Lee Fuller, and I want to talk to your students about anti-bullying. I've been bullied on every level, but what I talk to them about is being bullied into brilliance. And I also have a message for bullies, because it's all about creating a campus environment where people are respected for differences and an environment where you look for common ground. Now, I've found common ground in my life, and I was bullied into finding my true gifts and my true talents. As an actor, as a singer, as an athlete, also as a speaker, all sorts of different things were birthed out of initially being bullied on just about every level, whether that level was in elementary school, high school, college, and even as a professional, because bullying happens on every level. So, bring me in. Let me share with your students and staff and talk about the joys of finding purpose, the beauty in discovering those common grounds that I mentioned before, and also the possibility to recover from, grow from, and prepare ourselves for in a way to combat being bullied. So, give me a call with the information that you see at the end of this message, or send me an email, and let me send you 5 reasons why you should book me to be at your school, to host either a seminar, to do a short presentation, to participate in discussions, and to show you some of the tips, strategies, and even fun ideas to kind of help create a campus environment that is anti-bullying. Again, I'm Lee Fuller, and I look forward to seeing you on campus.